freedom or peace.
Freedom to make our own choices.
Are something that we take for granted, but they are not necessarily granted everywhere.
Rights to be protected, to express yourself.
Rights and freedom that should be given to every human being.
Basic human decency.
The rights that are supported by moral principles and are inherited to all the human beings.
The rights for every person.
This freedom, equality, and I believe that it's something that should be universal.
Freedom. Creating equal opportunities for all people, non-regarding of their race, gender, or anything in their lives that there isn't their fault.
I think about just people being able to do basically whatever they want.
Protection, participation and freedom.